పిల్లలు వస్తున్నప్పుడు
ఇది ఉంది కదా
పిల్లలు
ఇక్కడ మీ యొక్క అంటే కెరీర్ గైడెన్స్ అనే ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో ఎవరికైనా జరిగింది ఆ సెషన్స్ కెరీర్ గైడెన్స్ ఎవరికైనా సెషన్ జరిగి ఫ్యూచర్ గోల్ ఏందని అడుగుతారు అప్పుడు ఎవరైనా లేచి చెప్పగలుగుతారా ఓకే ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు అసలు చెప్పట్లేరు పిల్లలందరూ చెప్తారా క్లిక్ చేయండి అక్కడ ఐఏఎస్
సోషల్ సర్వీస్ సార్
ఓకే సూపర్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ
సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సార్
సాఫ్ట్వేర్
డాక్టర్ సార్
ఎలా అవ్వాలనేది డైరెక్ట్ అన్నయ్య అక్కయ్యని అడగండి వస్తారు కదా వాళ్ళు డైరెక్ట్ మీరు అడగండి అన్నయ్య మీలాగా ఐఏఎస్ కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి ఐపీఎస్ ఓకేనా మైక్ లో పడి అక్కడే పడేసి
Good evening to one and all. Myself, I am Krishnavani from 10th class.
ఏదైనా ఒకటి
సృష్టికి జీవం పోసినది రెండక్షరాల ప్రేమ నీ గర్భగుడిలో పురుడోసుకున్నదే మానవ చిరునామా అమ్మా అమ్మా సృష్టికి జీవం పోసినది రెండక్షరాల ప్రేమ నీ గర్భగుడిలో పురుడోసుకున్నదే మానవ చిరునామా సకల జలాచల జీవజాతులకి కొలువు తీరినది నీ రూపం నీ చెలువానగాను రాగం అమ్మదనం నీ జన్మగుణం అమ్మా అమ్మా ఒక రూపానికి ఆకారాన్నిచ్చి లోకానికి చూపించే శక్తి తను అను నొప్పులతో భరించేటి మాతృతి నీ పొత్తిళ్ళ చిరునవ్వును చూసి 9 నెలల బాధను మరిచి అమ్మా అమ్మా సృష్టికి జీవం పోసినది రెండక్షరాల ప్రేమ నీ గర్భగుడిలో పురుడోసుకున్నదే మానవ చిరునామా యముని గుమ్మానికి ఎదురుగా నిలబడి తలబడి కొట్లాడిన వేసల్లి పొడి చేరిన బిడ్డ ఎదలు ముద్దాడగా బిగబట్టి నొప్పి ఒక్కసారి కనురెప్పలల్లె కన్నీరుగా మార్చి కన్న ప్రేమకు నిండు సాక్ష్యమై నిలిచినావే అమ్మా లేరమ్మ నీ కన్నా
లేని గుండె కోత ఇది కాస్త జాలి పడరా అమ్మ అని పిలిచి పిలిచి గుండె పిండకురా లాలి జో లాలి 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 జో లాలి జో లాలి లాలి జో విషము కూడా అమృతమే అమ్మ తాకితే ఈ తల్లి పాలు విషములా నువ్వు తాగితే కష్టం కాని కన్న తల్లిగా చేశాడు మా బ్రహ్మ ముద్దు ముచ్చటలు తీర్చగా నోసుకొని జన్మ రమ్మనలేను చేరదకాను శీలను రేదురా అమ్మ అని పిలిచి పిలిచి గుండె పిండకురా ఆకలంటూ ఎడిచి ఎడిచి ఏడిపించకురా థ్యాంక్ యూ
థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా.
రెడీ ఎలా చెప్తారు ఎలా చెప్తారు వెరీ గుడ్ సో టీమ్ వన్ అని చెప్తారండి టీమ్ వన్ ఎవరు టీమ్ అని చెప్పేసారు ఆల్రెడీ వేరేమని సో హూ ఇస్ టీమ్ వన్ ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటా ఎందుకు అంటే మనకు అన్నయ్యలు అక్కలు వస్తారు కదా వాళ్ళకి తెలుగు అర్థం కాకపోవచ్చు కదా కానీ ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే మీరు మీకు అర్థమైనా అర్థం కాకపోయినా మీరు మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు మీకు ఏమైనా భయం ఉండాలా
నో సర్
మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలనుకున్నారు అనుకోండి మీకు తెలుగే కంఫర్టబుల్ అనుకోండి నేను ఉన్నాను కదా ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేయడానికి
ఓకే సర్
కానీ ఎక్కడైనా బెరుగ్గా మాట్లాడతామా కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా మాట్లాడతామా
కాన్ఫిడెంట్ సర్
తెలుగు అయితే తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ అయితే ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ మనకి ఏమైనా మనం ఆపుతుందా
నో సర్
ఆపుతుందా
నో సర్
వెరీ గుడ్ ఆర్ వి ఆల్ రెడీ
yes yes
ఆర్ వి ఆల్ రెడీ ఏది వీళ్ళు చేయట్లా ఆర్ వి ఆల్ రెడీ టీమ్ 3
oh yes
టీమ్ 4
oh yes
టీమ్ 5
oh yes
టీమ్ 6
oh yes
టీమ్ 7
oh yes
ఇంకా అవుతుంది సో యు ప్లీజ్ డిస్కస్ అమంగ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ కమ్ అప్ విత్ వాట్ ఆర్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్స్ మీలో ఒకరు టీమ్ లీడ్ గా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి యు ప్లీజ్ సెలెక్ట్ వన్ ఆఫ్ యు యాజ్ వన్ టీమ్ లీడ్ ఓకేనా మీరు క్విక్ గా ఒకరొకరు మాట్లాడుకొని ఆ టీమ్ లీడ్ మీ టీమ్ లీడ్ లో వీరమని సో మీకు ఒక పని చేస్తాను నేను ఐ గివ్ యూ మెంటర్స్ ఓకే అది మైక్ ఇవ్వండి హ్యాండ్ మైక్
ఎవరు
సో నేను మీకు అన్నయ్యని అక్కల్ని ఇస్తా దీదీ భయ్యాస్ ఓకే
ఓకే సర్
ఓకే సో హౌ మెనీ మెంబర్స్ వి హావ్ టీమ్ 1 విల్ బి దేర్ విత్ ఐశ్వర్య అక్క ఐశ్వర్య దీది ఓకేనా ఓకే ఓకే టీమ్ 7 రెడీ అయిపోయిందా టీమ్ 7 ఆర్ యు రెడీ yes sir కాదు టీమ్ 8 మాత్రమే టీమ్ 8
oh yes
టీమ్ 9
oh yes
టీమ్ 10
oh yes
వెరీ గుడ్ ఇప్పుడు క్విక్ గా మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే వాట్ యూ షుడ్ డూ ఇస్ మీ ప్రతి టీమ్ మీ యొక్క టీమ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఒక టీమ్ లీడ్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి ఫస్ట్ వీరమని మీరు ఇటు సైడ్ ఈ టీమ్స్ అన్ని చూసుకోండి ఐశ్వర్య మీరు టీమ్స్ అన్ని చూసుకోండి నగేష్ నువ్వు కూడా హెల్ప్ చేయి మీరందరూ ఒక్కొక్క టీమ్ లీడ్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని ఆ టీమ్ లీడ్ కి
రేవతి
మీరు ఏమవుదాం అనుకుంటున్నారు అనేది చెప్పండి అప్పుడు ఆ టీమ్ లీడ్ నించొని నా పేరు సో నా పేరు రేణుక మా టీంలో ముగ్గురం డాక్టర్స్ 2 లాయర్స్ ఒక ఐపీఎస్ అవుదాం అనుకుంటున్నాము అని చెప్పగలగాలి ప్రతి టీం కూడా ఓకేనా మీకు 2 minutes టైం ఇస్తున్నాం టీమ్ లీడ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి మీ టీమ్ గురించి మాత్రమే మీరు చెప్పండి. ఏ టీం రెడీ ఉందో చేతులు ఎత్తండి.
Martin sir, we are ready sir.
టీం 3 and టీం 4 అంటే చెప్పండి.
Team 7 sir. Team 3 sir. Team 6. Team 9 sir.
Okay, okay,
Team
okay.
6 sir.
ఓకే సైలెన్స్. చూడండి చూడండి ప్రోగ్రామ్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాక పిల్లలందరూ నన్ను చూడండి. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఒక్కసారి నా వైపు చూడండి అందరూ. సైలెన్స్. మన మీరు నేను ఒక అగ్రిమెంట్ కొద్దాం. అగ్రిమెంట్ ఏంటి అంటే డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, వెనెవర్ ఐ సే డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, మీరందరూ పక్క వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడకుండా నా వైపు చూడాలి. అగ్రీడా? ఓకే. డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, గుడ్. మనం కరెంట్ షాక్ ఆడతాం కదా, దాంట్లో కరెంట్ అయితే ఎట్లా స్టాచ్యూస్ అయిపోతారో మీరు స్టాచ్యూస్ అయిపోవాలి. స్టాచ్యూస్ అయిపోయి నా వైపు చూడాలి. మీరు నాకు కోఆపరేట్ చేయలేదు అనుకోండి, ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని సక్సెస్ చేయలేము. ఒక్కసారి డీలీ సార్ వాళ్ళ యొక్క ఆఫీసర్స్ వచ్చాక ప్రోగ్రామ్ చాలా ఫాస్ట్ గా వెళ్ళిపోతుంటది. అప్పుడు మీలో మీరు మాట్లాడుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, నిర్మాణ తరపున ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని కోఆర్డినేట్ చేయలేము. ఓకేనా? కాబట్టి డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్ అనగానే ఏం చేస్తారు? స్టాట్యూ అయ్యి నా వైపు చూడాలి. ఇప్పుడు మన నిర్మాణ డైరెక్టర్ సార్ ఉన్నారు, అందరూ వెల్కమ్ చెప్పండి. ఇందాక చెప్పారు చూసాను నేను, మళ్ళీ వెల్కమ్ చెప్పండి సార్కి. Wow.
Good afternoon, everybody.
From your children.
Welcome to this mentorship program.
Thank you sir.
You already know what the program is all about.
Yes sir.
There are two parts of this program. You know that?
No sir.
Okay. The first part is now we are taking up asking you for the dreams, and the first part is about the mentoring. The second part is the most awaited part. You are waiting for to receive the kids. You know that?
Yes sir.
You already know about the second part, and the kids are ready. I think we will take up the kids distribution. You are told about the guests who are going to come and talk to you from here. Who are the guests? Who is the chief guest for this function? DG, yes, Director General of MCHRD Institute, Hyderabad, Mr. BP Acharya. He is the chief guest for this function, and there are going to be 40 All India Service Officers, and they will be shortly coming and joining us in this very hall, and the program will begin. Now, if you are all ready with your dreams, we will hear from each one of you about your dreams. Now we will start from
Team wise. Only team leader will speak.
yeah. Now we will start from the team 1. All the teams are ready. You have told about your readiness. Now I'll ask team 1, are you ready?
Yes sir.
Is that the way you express your readiness? Adena meeru cheppedi? If I ask you, are you ready? How will you express?
Yes.
Yes. So team 1. The team lead, who is the team lead? Team 1? You tell your name, Amma. Tarvata మీ డ్రీమ్స్ గురించి చెప్పాలి.
Myself, V. Pratika. In my group, 3 members doctors, 2 members IPS, 1 police.
Wow, that is your dream, the collective dream of the whole group 1, team 1. Okay, clap for them. And why those dreams? Endukani? How many IPS? Somebody said IPS.
2 members.
2 members. Who are they? ఎందుకని మీరు ఐపీఎస్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నారమ్మా? టీమ్ లీడ్ కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు, వారు సపోర్ట్ చేయాలి. దే ఆర్ రెడీ విత్ ద రీజన్స్.
Myself, Jeshwini.
Yes, Ashwini.
Public, I go IPS.
తెలుగులో చెప్పొచ్చు,
నేను
తెలుగు అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ బోత్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ ఆర్ పర్మిటెడ్ హియర్.
ప్రజలకు సేవ చేయాలి.
ప్రజలకు సేవ చేయడానికి ఐపీఎస్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నది అశ్విని. వండర్ఫుల్. బిగ్ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాస్ ఫర్ అశ్విని. Good one, Ashwini. Yeah, I think we'll go to the group 2 because time is not permitting us to have a.
Myself is Shailaja. In my group,
Yes, Shailaja.
In my group, 2 members aim to become software engineers, and 2 members want to become agriculture officers, and 2 members aim to become IAS officer. And my aim to become a lawyer.
Your aim to become
Lawyer.
lawyer. Good. Give them a round of applause. Those two who want to become agriculture officers, can I hear from them? Karnal Chaptara, why you have selected a career in agriculture?
Myself, Bhargavi from 10th class. I want to become a agriculture officer. I want to develop agriculture. ఎందుకంటే నాకు అగ్రికల్చర్ ని డెవలప్ చేయాలని ఉంది, ఫార్మర్స్ కి హెల్ప్ చేయాలని ఉంది.
Good one. Okay. Give them a round of applause.
Thank you.
Yes, shall we?
From 10th standard. In my group, 2 IPS to become 2 IPS officers, 2 engineers, 1 doctor, 1 teacher, and 1 agriculture officer.
Mayur. Yeah, actually, you have made a list of all the team members.
Sir.
Yeah. Yes. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి మీరు రిపీట్ చేయండి.
In my group,
Yeah, 7 members కదా?
yes sir.
7 members, and you are the leader,
Yes sir.
team lead. You tell your name.
Myself, Bhavani sir.
Bhavani, yes. What's the dream of your team members?
To become IPS officers,
Hmm.
2 members become, those wants to become engineers.
Okay.
One member want to become teacher, and 1 is doctor, and 1 agriculture officer.
Okay, okay. So that టీచర్ ఎందుకు కావాలని అనుకుంటున్నారు అనేది నాకు కొంచెం కారణాలు చెప్తారా? టీచింగ్ ప్రొఫెషన్. Yes, you tell your name.
Myself,
And
I am K. Nageshwari, 6th A section.
6th A. They are not from 10th class, Aishwarya? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Because my dad's dream.
Your dad's dream. You want to fulfill your dad's dream. Very good. Good round of applause for her. Yes. And can you tell me what the teacher's achievements? How does the teacher help the society?
Teachers tell teaching.
తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్పొచ్చమ్మా. Now, in fact, yeah.
టీచర్స్ చిన్నపిల్లలకి చదువు చెప్పి చిన్నపిల్లల్ని కూడా టీచర్స్ని ఇంజనీర్ని చేశారు.
Yes, correct. That is a wonderful answer. Yeah. So behind every successful man, there is a teacher. That is the underlying principle. All of us standing here are here because of our teachers. They gave us very good foundation. They taught us and they prepared each and every one of us to compete in the examinations and succeed and get to good positions. That's the teacher's role in the society. Very good selection, Amma. Once again, a good round of applause for her. Yes, yes, yes.
Good evening, sir. Myself Sushmita from 10th class. In my group, there are 7 members.
Nagesh, come this side. Come here.
One want to become agricultural officer. One want to become social service. And 2 want to become police. 2 want to become software engineer. And 1 want to become doctor. They all want to serve our nation, sir.
Very good, very good. Good aim to serve the nation. Excellent. They are the group which says they want to serve the nation. So nation first. Super. Is the first time among all these groups. This has come up as serving the nation. Wonderful. Yeah. Can you repeat once more?
In our group, there are 7, sir. 1 want to become agricultural officer. 1 want to become social service. 1 want to work as social service. And 2 want to become police. 1 want to become doctor. And 2 want to become software engineer, sir. We all want to serve our nation, sir.
We all want to serve the nation.
వెరీ గుడ్. సో మీరు చెప్పడానికి ఎంత టైం పడుతుందో చూసుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు సార్ అడిగారు, మీరు మిగతా టీమ్స్ చెప్తున్నారు కదా ఫాస్ట్గా, అక్కడ మనకి ఇంత టైం ఉండదు, క్విక్గా మనం చెప్పాలి. ఇదంతా రిహార్సల్ అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పుడు టీమ్ ఏ టీం వరకు వచ్చింది? టీం నెంబర్ ఎంత మీది?
4, sir.
టీమ్ 5.
My name is K. Parvati. I am from 10th B section. In my group, 1 want to become doctor and 2 members want to become IPS and 2 members want to become agriculture officer and 1 member want to become IAS and I want to become an astronaut.
Very good. Why do you want to become astronaut?
Because all of said doctor, God will there. దేవుడు పైన ఉంటాడు అని చెప్తారు కదా, దేవుడు ఉన్నాడో లేదా అని కనుక్కోవడం అంటే నాకు ఇష్టం. అసలు దేవుడే ఉన్నాడా సైన్సే ఉందా అని కనుక్కోవాలి అని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను.
We are from 10B section. In our group we have two IAS and 2 IPS and 2 agriculture officer and 1 doctor. Why we choose agriculture purpose? We want to encourage farmers in all ways. Without farmer, our country will not work. Farmer is second God for us. Why some choose doctor means they want to serve poor people who live in slum areas. We want to serve India as good as possible. Thank you.
Finally, the day has come. Our dear officer trainees, we welcome all of you, each one of you, for this session. From Nirman and also all the children. Let's all welcome the officer trainees.
we at Nirman invite you for this MCHRD and Nirman event. It is originally scheduled start at around 3:40. 3:40 to 4:40 is supposed to be a mentoring session, and then 4:40 to 5:40 was the initial schedule for having the event of girl child kit distribution. We were told that there is a delay in the examination and there is a viva voice, etc. that is introduced. Hence, I think the program is sliding down. We are all, in fact, very excited to have this event. So, I'm told by Naveen ji that once our respected DG sir comes, the event will begin. So, we will go with that flow. Once sir comes, and then we will start the session. Meanwhile, let's all welcome again. A few more officer trainees have joined. So the whole agenda of this program is the following: that these 75 girl children, MCHRD has been doing lot of development activities in one school called Borbanda Girls High School, which is nearby MCHRD. So in that there are 75 such 10th graders, girls who are there. So as a part of the mentoring program, they are here with us today. So all the children are invited and they are here for your interaction. And while DG sir comes, we'll be happy to say that they have been divided into 10 different teams, and each team is introducing themselves with their dreams. So, which team have we started? There, team number 4. Team number 4, yeah, it will be a bit inconvenient for you, but I would request all officer trainees to bit of look back. And team number 4, our dear team number 4, will be introducing their team and their dreams. Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
You will say everyone or Didis and Bhaias?
Good evening, Didis and Bhaias. In our group, there are 7 members. 1 want to become agricultural officer, and 2 want to become software engineer, 2 want to become police, and 1 want to become army officer. We all want to serve our nation.
Thank you, children. We'll go to the next team. Team number 3. Team number 3.
My group, the members are present. They want to become 2 engineers, 2 IPS officers, 1 agriculture officer, 1 teacher, and 1 doctor. They want to serve to the people.
So, from Nirman and also all the officer trainees, all the best to all of you. Your team number 3.
Thank you, sir.
Team number 2.
My name is Shailaja. In my group, there are 7 members are present. 2 members aim to become software engineers, and 2 members want to become agriculture officers, and 2 members want to become IAS officers. And my aspiration is lawyer. Thank you.
Team number 1.
Good evening all of you. This is V. Pratibha.
So this is where we want to start this interaction. Mentors and mentees will not say sirs or madams or everyone. You'll say Didis and Bhaias. Good evening, Didi and Bhaiya.
Good evening, Didis and Bhaiya.
Okay, so nice minds. Okay, go ahead.
Myself V. Pratibha. In my group there are 7 members are present. 2 members want to become doctors. 3 members want to become IPS. 2 members want to become agriculture officers. Because of save our nation.
Okay, thank you so much. introduction was going on, and then
Make it simple, make
very
it
simple.
informal. No formal speeches.
No, children only are talking about the
Okay.
dreams. So, may I ask team number 4?
Good evening all. A warm welcome to all of you present here. Do you remember? On 24th November, many of us have run for the girl child through Search Impact and Nirman organization. Many of you donated for the girl child kit. The prestigious MCR HRD institution partnered with Nirman organization in this initiative. We promised, and hence we are together excited to deliver our promise to 75 girl children studying in grade 10 in Borabanda Girls School, Government Girls School. So I would like to invite all our honorable dignitaries on the dais. So may I please request Honorable Chief Guest, B.P. Acharya Sir, IAS, Special Chief Secretary and DG MCR HRD onto the stage please. Mr. Abdul Wahid Sir, Director, Nirman Organization onto the stage please. Mr. Mayur Patnala, Founder and CEO Nirman. Mr. Dr. Reddy, Principal in Charge, Borabanda Government Girls School. Mr. Ravi, MCR HRD and his specialists. So
No,
please.
no more claps, please. Claps only for yourself.
I would request Mr. Mayur Patnala to introduce the event. Sir, please.
As DG sir has mentioned, we'll keep the event very informal and also very natural one. What else can be a better introduction than listening to the girl children teams of their dreams? So I will request team number 4 to talk about their dreams to DG sir.
All of them have got mobile phones. Girls, the students, they have the mobile phone. They are not allowed. They are, I've seen them taking the photo. Because I want the mobile phone to pass on to our OTs. You would have, they'll have to contact you. So once they won't carry, but to contact them, we are going to adopt. Right? So they will contact to you.
Sure sir.
You will pass on the message to them.
Yes.
Someday they will also have the mobile phone. They should. Okay, next.
So team number 4, could you please introduce? Introduce Chestara.
Before that, how many of our OTs participated in the run? You paid for it and in this group, all of you participated. 57 in all participated. Okay.
Good evening, everyone.
Whatever.
Good evening, Didis and Bhaias, respected dignitaries. In my group, there are 7 members.
What's your name, please? Your name?
My name is Sushmita. Sir.
Name, the village in which district?
I am from Sangareddy, sir.
Okay, right.
In our group, there are 7 members present, sir. 2 members want to become police, 1 want to become agricultural officer, 1 want to become army, 2 want to become software, and 1 want to become doctors. We all want to serve our nation, sir.
One last introduction. Team number 3.
Myself, Bhavani sir. I am from Vanpati district. In my team, 7 members are present. They want to become engineers, 2 want to become IPS officers, 1 want to become agriculture, and 1 want to become teacher, and I want to become doctor.
Who wants to become teacher? Please stand up. ఎవరు టీచర్ కావాలని చెప్పడం ఎందుకు టీచర్ కావాలని అనుకుంటున్నారు? మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడవచ్చు. ప్లీజ్ గో
My name is K. Mageshwari.
చెప్పండి చెప్పమ్మా. You come here. Thank God. Said we were wanting to become teachers. చాలా పక్కగా ఉన్నావు. పక్కగా is very thin. She is not even proper. Not that. Which class? Dance చేయాలంట. ఏమన్నాడు మరి? ఓకే మాట్లాడు. ఏ క్లాస్ అమ్మా? ఏ క్లాస్? Which class?
I am sixth section. Teacher అవ్వడం మా నాన్న కల.
నానా కళ. My father's dream is to make her a teacher. నాన్న ఏం చేస్తారు?
మా నాన్న డిసిఎం డ్రైవర్.
ఏ డ్రైవర్? DCM డ్రైవర్. ఊర్లోనే ఉన్నారు, వనపర్తిలో. ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు? ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్లోనా? హైదరాబాద్ ఉన్నారు. ఓకే రైట్. టీచర్ అయ్యి ఏ స్కూల్ టీచరా, కాలేజ్ టీచరా, ఎట్లా ఉంటారా?
స్కూల్ టీచర్.
స్కూల్ టీచర్, వెరీ గుడ్. డాన్స్ చూపించాలా? డాన్స్ కొరకు వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు అన్నారు. ఏ క్లాస్ అమ్మా? సిక్స్త్ క్లాస్. రైట్. వీఆర్ ఆల్సో గివింగ్ అ స్పెషల్ థింగ్ యూ గివ్ అ కిడ్. aim on the way and want to become a teacher. That I sure. Like కూర్చోబెట్టు. ఈడ కూర్చో.
One more thing. Yeah.
మీరు కూర్చోండి అమ్మా. మీరు టీచర్ గారు మీరు కూర్చోండి. రెండో ఇక్కడ ఖాళీ ఉన్నాయి, సీట్స్ ఖాళీ ఉన్నాయి. చెప్పండి.
Welcome to all present here today. In our group, there are 7 members. Two members
What
are
is your name?
myself, Anuhya, from 10B section. I want to become as agriculture officer because of I want to make India proud, and without farmer our country will not work. That's why I choose farmer agriculture officer. In our group we have 2 polices and 2 IAS officer and 1 agriculture officer, 2 doctors. We want to make India proud.
So today we have gathered today with a okay. So next thing. No, I can also see that there are smiles when they are introducing. They are getting relieved of.
Let everyone get a chance.
Myself, Sindhuja, from Kamareddy district.
మీ పేరెంట్స్ ఏం చేస్తారు?
He is shopkeeper. In our group, there are 7 members. 4 want to become doctor, 1 want to become IPS, 1 want to become astronaut, and 1 want to become agricultural officer.
Who wants to become an astronaut?
Randy.
So special chair is waiting for you again.
The mentor must be unusually bright to mentor her. Whichever is the mentor.
Myself, P. Sureka, from small village, Karpakla.
Ekkada ఏ village?
Karpak,
ఏ జిల్లా?
Gadwal.
Gadwal. One of the most backward, those of you none of you went to Gadwal. It is the most backward in terms of literacy. 16% of the literacy rate in Gadwal district. There is a village which is worse than the Bikaner village. Gadwal is the poorest in terms of literacy because of migration of labor, and children are used for picking of cotton. All the young kids are used for picking cotton because of the delicate hands, fingers are delicate, so they can pick properly.
my dream. I am in 8th class. My teacher has told about that atmosphere, and Kalpana Chawla and Abdul Kalam do so much of research about that. But from her and his, I will inspire.
తెలుగులో చెప్పొచ్చు.
వాళ్ళ ద్వారా నేను ఇన్స్పైర్ అయినా. నాకు ఎందుకో అదంటే ఇష్టం అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా ఎట్లయినా నేను అది కావాలి. మా అమ్మకి మా నాన్నకి ప్రౌడ్
సైన్స్ లో బాగా చేస్తున్నావా? ఫిజిక్స్ కానీ కెమిస్ట్రీ కానీ
ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్.
బాగా మార్క్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, మంచి మార్క్స్ వస్తున్నాయా? ఆల్ రైట్ ఓకే, కూర్చో. రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
The next team, please.
I am B. Revati from 10th class. My team number is 8. There are 7 members in my group and they have different goals for them. One member want to become an IPS officer and one member want to become an IAS officer and one member want to become an agriculturist officer. One member want to become a software engineer and one member want to become a teacher and one member want to become a pilot and one member want to do social service for the society. They all help the nations.
ఓకే, సోషల్ సర్వీస్ ఎవరమ్మా? అవి పట్టాలి
Telangana Social Impact Group from Such Impact. Thank you for organizing this marathon and being the cause partner. Thank you so much. Please.
First of all, myself, I am M. Sarita from 10th session.
ఏ విలేజ్ అండి? ఏ విలేజ్? ఏ ఊరు?
Prepare, sir.
పెబ్బేర్, మహబూబ్ నగర్. మహబూబ్ నగర్ ప్రాంతం.
My goal is social service. Why? Because నేను ఒక ఫౌండేషన్ పెట్టుకొని పిల్లలందరికీ సోషల్ సర్వీస్గా చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. మన దేశంలో చాలా మంది పూర్ పీపుల్స్ ఉన్నారు. అందుకే వాళ్ళకు నేను సోషల్ సర్వీస్గా
She wants to start a foundation and want to help those people because there are so many poor people in the country.
నేను గొప్ప స్థాయికి వచ్చిన తర్వాతకి
గొప్ప స్థాయి కావాలి. You have to do some job and then
So how do you get funds is what Vijay sir asked, and she responded saying she will become a great person and then start this foundation.
right, all the best.
Next class please. Next team. One and all or Diris and Bayas?
Good evening, ladies and bias and sirs. In my group there are 7 members. In my group, 3 members want to become a doctors and 2 members want to become an agriculture officers and 2 members become a collectors because we want to serve our society.
Okay, thank you. Next team please.
Good evening to one another. In my group, I am Bharata from 10th class. In my group, 7 members are there. 3 members are doctors, 1 member are teacher, 3 members are IPS. In my group, people.
Lot of demand for IPS officers. చెప్పండి.
My group people serve the poor people. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
We'll establish some mentoring interaction and then followed by speeches and culture.
No speeches. On behalf of the OT, other group had a chance in Gujarat. Good, bad or worse, so how it happened we don't know. But we thought we will also provide you that opportunity to adopt one girl child so that you are in touch with her over next 5-10 years and guide her in whatever ways you can. We are going to circulate the list of the, out of the 75, 40 are chosen, based on the, because you are 40. All 40 are here? So we will give you the list of 40. Other 25, other 35 we will adopt to the other next FC. So So eventually all the 75 will get adopted. But we need to have a structure. Would any of you suggest how do you structure it? Otherwise it's like meeting for one day or exchanging numbers and after that you forget it. Himanshu, would you like to suggest a method? One or two of you could suggest how to go about this method, which will be acceptable to everyone. Of course, once a broad format is made out, then later on you can innovate. Somebody can be more interactive, somebody can be less interactive, depends on the person's interest and the. We are circulating the list. Why don't you read out the list? What we will do is, no, the children should know. And then who is the mentor for them? Children wise, మీరు చదవండి. Just read out the 40 names. 40 మందికి మీకు ఒక ఎక్స్ట్రా టీచర్ ఇస్తున్నామండి, ఎక్స్ట్రా మెంటార్ ఇస్తున్నాము. మెంటార్ అంటే అర్థం ఉందా మీకు? అర్థమైంది. సూపర్ హెడ్ మాస్టర్. హెచ్ఎం కన్నా ఇంకా వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆఫీసర్స్. He or she will be with you to guide you. మీకు ఎవరు అస్ట్రోనట్ కావాలి, ఎట్లా అస్ట్రోనట్ కావాలని మీకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు. దట్ ఈస్ ది ఐడియా. మీరు వాళ్ళ ఫోన్ నంబర్ కూడా మీకు ఇస్తాం. ఫోన్ నంబర్, ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి కూడా ఇస్తాం. మీరు మాట్లాడవచ్చు, ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు, మీరు గ్రీటింగ్స్ పంపవచ్చు. డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ బోత్ ఆఫ్ యూ. Some may work, some may not work. I'll be happy if at least 10 people are really benefited by this. We are making a beginning. It's not just the future, it's first time we are doing it. It was not there in the past. Naveen Reddy will read out the names. Your mentor will stand up. Both mentor and the girl can stand up. We can in fact ask the girl to come and sit next to the mentor. At least the 10 నిమిషాలు interact అవుతారు. We can make some arrangements. M. Jyoti.
Jyoti. Okay.
Itla.
Ritu Singh.
Who is the mentor? Adi pettukondi.
Jyoti is student, sir. Ritu Singh is the
mentor.
mentors.
Atu da. Both of you sit there, sir. It is not some 5 minutes interaction, but later on you are here. Maybe you make them sit somewhere there.
M. Vaijayanti, Ishita Gupta. B. Vaijayanti.
B. Vaijayanti ఎవరండి? ఎక్కడండి? స్టూడెంట్. ఇట్లా. ఇషిత, where are you?
So two sheets are being circulated to you. So it has a 8-point guideline on how a mentor can do a mentoring. Here on the screen you see from Nirman as an impact and knowledge partner. In addition to the mentorship that we will be providing, we will be having career assistance for college admissions, scholarships, hostel support, relevant entrance exam, coaching. Residential camps are there, which we organize for these mentees frequently. And also we have exposure visits to T-Hub and various places, including MCHR, exposure visit. And we have school bonds. Once the children graduate, if they in Hyderabad and different places, we have school bonds. It's a residential place where they can continue their education. And we have something called Career Advancement Fund, where advancement fund will be helpful and will ensure that every girl child dream is preserved. So all the structure, everything is available. So these people will have all the support program. So as per Niti Aayog and also as per the recent mentoring program that Sir has mentioned, the Niti Aayog also has selected Nirman to be one of the partners of mentoring, where they have given a structure where every mentor will speak for will spend an hour of time for the mentee. So which includes a 20 minutes of phone call conversation. Recently in the past interaction, our officer trainees have asked us one question: what happens when the mentor and mentor's language is an issue? So our facilitation will be there, Nirman will act there. So we'll have a Nirman facilitator who will understand both the languages and ensure that. So for love and affection, sometimes language will not be a barrier, and as the weeks progress, it will all happen very naturally. So So real acting and teaching there is what is expected from them. So this what else are you mentioning that every mentor and mentee is sitting side by side and having a 10 minutes of conversation doesn't concentrate. So that's the adoption of well-sharing. So 8 points are relevant.
मुझे नहीं करने को आता कैसे करूँ ऐसा सोच आता
Mentoring.
पर एक बात ट्राई करे तो आता पर डर लगता
So 8 point guidelines are there. The entire structure is there. We have got
Mentor's task is somewhat easier because they will mentor the child. Wherever necessary, they will ensure the
before the weekly call, we will give a weekly report to you also on every day.
share the profile of each of the girl children to the our teams. The mentors, individual email IDs are there for us. Phone numbers are there, but we will give you the email IDs of each of the teams. You pass on the photo and the initial details.
Again, entrance for MSc,
And this program is proven to be
Institute
a lot
for
of
the
training
Agriculture Research. Then MSc again,
This
2
already
years.
this program is running
I
for
think
4
for
years.
MSc you
Has been
can write
successful.
JRF.
And 138 mentors have started and with a 150 we have completely are there currently. And 170 students are getting benefited of this. And we have a full-time team of 5 team employees who will be assisting. So it will be very easy and it is proven now. We have the complete model from starting to end. So with this,
So you know about agriculture, मतलब zero budget farming. What you know?
from various professions, this slide shows about that CAs, entrepreneurs, engineers, doctors, PhD professors, this is various and average work experience of 6.5 years. They are having international exposure. And this is the Mighty CSP students we call it. Now it is Mighty 75, the batch. This is a representative one. The slide which is being shown is not the same as this. We will be sending you that. But this is how it looks like, the dreams. And there is a family background. So farmers, drivers, contractors, carpenters, watchmen, laborers. So these people having these dreams, this is where we need to take that leap.
The one basic, the common denominator of all these children is all of them belong to families which are below poverty line. That is the precondition for admission in the which does not allow rich children. All of them are very poor families.
So I request everyone to come over and sit beside your mentor. That will happen. It is 10 minutes of introduction.
Understood. Then Krishnaveni, Suman Patel. Yes, yes, then Rajeshwari, then Rajeshwari, Anjali. Anjali is right there. Do Bhavani, Sagar Chaudhary.
In fact, to share the badge, I did not know about the background of what is the name? Naresh Patil. He himself was an embroiderer in Surat for 4 years. He comes from very, very humble family. His younger brother, I came to know yesterday only. He came to me seeking permission to go for his own marriage, saying that I'll marry on the 8th. Then I said, why do you have to go on 4th? He said, I have to do everything myself. My mother does some household chores. Brother is in Surat doing embroidery work. He himself was an embroiderer for 4 years in Surat. He had given up the dream of joining any government service. But it's the determination and the courage which brought him to the church civil service, like all of you. He's a case in point where mentorship can happen. So as a special case, I wanted him to go. I gave him certificate today. It is in the group. I gave him marriage gift and sent him home. Okay. In his place, somebody else can.
Yes, sir.
Then that we do that. Next.
Do Bhavani, Sagar Chaudhary.
You were there.
This is Samita and Dipaka Das. Yeah, Dipaka Das. Dipaka Das.
How many seconds you
D. Bhargavi. D. Bhargavi and Achu. Both are sitting together.
It is another kind of blind date we're doing here. Yeah, we people talked about some blind date in the cultural program. This is a kind of a blind date we are doing. Next.
T. Tejasvi. T. Tejasvi and Renu Verma. T. Tejasvi.
We can both that side.
D. Pratibha, Virashri Gautam. D. Pratibha and Virashri Gautam. K. Akila, Amelia Betsy.
Akila, Amelia. Congrats Amelia for winning the Esprit de Corps. You are the most popular girl in the class. Incidentally, she is also the sports champion. She got the sports champion award.
D. Rajashwini Mahadevaraya. Deepankar Mitra.
To begin with, I would suggest if you can take the address and all the name, because they don't have mobile phones. We have given the general address of the principal. But you can take their family address so that you can, in case you want to write, so on, you can write. Sometimes maybe she has left the school, you can't be contacted through the headmaster. Another 2 years. This is the last year they stay in the school. They are here till which month? Till April only they are in the school. After that they go back to wherever. That is where your help is required. Your help and Mayur's help. Let us see that these 40 become the best among the residential school students. Sure, sir. Okay. Super 40.
M. Sushmita Ujala.
మీ ఒకవేళ మీ పేరెంట్స్ ఫోన్ నంబర్ ఉంటే రాసి ఇవ్వండి. ఇన్ ది గర్ల్ చైల్డ్ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ చెప్పండి మీకు ఫోన్
పిల్లలందరూ ప్లూరల్ కానీ బయో కానీ మీ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ మీ పేరెంట్స్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ ఉందనుకోండి అది చెప్పండి క్లియర్ గా రాసి ఇవ్వండి ఓకేనా
అడ్రస్ ఫోన్ నంబర్ చెప్తే మీకు ఏమైనా సలహా కావాలంటే సూచనలు కావాలంటే వాళ్ళు ఇస్తారు మీ ఫోన్ నంబర్ ఇప్పుడు లేదు కదా అందుకే
Class 11, where you will go first.
M. Srilata.
Please also may collect the phone numbers of the respective wards.
So you are studying
M. Srilata.
in class 11, same school or
M. Srilata Verma.
different?
M. Srilata.
Lata Verma,
M. Srilata Verma.
absent. Please.
Srilata. Mohanama.
Where you will
Ah,
go first.
okay. M. Srilata is Atul Kumar.
Social welfare school.
उधर ही बैठ जाओ आगे आ जाओ आगे आ जाओ into that
D. Anika.
you keep sitting
D. Anika.
Naveen ji, who is the mentee of Himanshi?
Anika and Himan.
he is the president the secretary of the club
From Nirman, we would like to thank you, Himanshi, for coordinating so much for this happen. We are really thankful to you and
to tell you the truth when the proposal came Naveen Reddy said we will pay from the contributing from their own pocket for the cause of the child they all paid contrary to Naveen's expectations 50% paid.
G. Prasanna. Rupa. G. What we can do is.
Okay.
Anyway, we missed one person, so we can attach that.
Dharma చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ modify చేయాలి. First you go through the whole list. Rupali, where is Rupali? Okay, sitting together.
Yes, Bhargavi. Yes, Bhargavi. Monica.
Bhargavi? आ गया Where is Moita? Okay, right. What's it?
E. Soumya. E. Soumya. Monta. M. Lavanya. M. Lavanya. Saswati.
Yes, sir.
Can you go to the, yeah, go back.
Sudeep.
and language English and your language Telugu.
Priyanka. Sudeep.
Also there.
आपको ये तो नहीं लग रहा है कि मैं फोर्स करके आपको ये करा रहा हूँ।
So your first language
मैं तो
what is
बताओ,
your first
इसको नहीं चाहिए तो बता दो।
Kannada?
मुझे नहीं चाहिए, ये
You
काम
are
नहीं
from
कर रहे।
which state? Karnataka?
Shirija.
Should not appear as a forced arranged marriage.
From the state? Telangana.
M. Shirisha.
But your mother tongue is Kannada.
Shirisha.
Border. I hope border. Karnataka and Telangana border. You stay.
Request a minute, 30 seconds. So I see that beautiful concept was shared that.
Why do you come in the letter that?
Don't.
So I would request even others to facilitate the discussions if necessary of the response members to be there and
We will host one lunch or dinner for them together. Wow. Maybe tomorrow. So this 40 plus 40, 80 people we arrange lunch in Ruchi dining hall. Okay. Separately we arrange for the child and the 80 people separately. At 1 o'clock, Himanshi. Tomorrow is 3 days. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. 1:30 we suggested. The class is ended at 1:30. So 1:30. 1:30 to 2:30. మీరు అందరూ మళ్ళీ రావాలి మా టైమింగ్ కావాలి. ఓకే. ఇప్పుడైతే ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయడం లేదు నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ చేస్తాం 40 మంది కలిపి ఇప్పుడు ఇంక్లూడ్ చేస్తున్నాం రిమైనింగ్ 35 కి విల్ ఇంక్లూడ్ నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ ఏం బాధపడకండి నా పేరు రాలేదు అని అట్లా వెడమకండి
As much you know Hindi, that much I know Telugu. Right? Kavana is to tell. Na? Okay. Whenever we like talk to someone in elder words, na? So he's like betiye, aiye. So this is how we speak, na? So kurchondi means in Hindi betiye. Okay, to sit and kurchondi will mean please sit. Okay, it is in respect. So it is like betiye. What is kurchondi? Betiye. Okay. And one more two sentences also I know. His name is Amber. So he knows little bit because he has talked to his maid. Every month he knows like he will be able to then you go to your parents like bits and parts he will be able to come to meeting. So around when we have holidays but then I tell you one thing, all the experiences are gone by the parents or the government. Some of the different guidelines and some of them please pay attention. Like these dresses out of the please pay attention. Government. Okay, books. Used to get books. What is please in it? What is Telugu for? What is the Telugu for please? Like what? Fees exemption. Okay, so for that you have to clear this is social residency. It is conducted in this is in the whole thing. Okay, by providing the merit list. Getting enrolled in higher study. What subject you want to choose in your higher study level?
There only.
4 are absent, 1 is getting
We could find mentors for 35 of the girl children. Not a bad number to begin with. ఇప్పుడు ఎంతమంది ఎవరికైతే రాలేదు మెంటర్స్ ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ పెట్టామండి. మీరేం బాధపడకండి, నాకు రాలేదని మీరు ఏం ఏడపకండి.
Can you raise your hand, those who are not mentored?
ఒక 40 మందికి రాలేదు, 35 మందికి దొరికారు మెంటర్. నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ పెడతాం. ఇది ఆన్గోయింగ్ ప్రాసెస్, ఒక రోజు జరిగే పని కాదు. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు, మేము ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాము. Himanshi, can you find other OTs who would be interested apart from the IAS, ISS? Those who are not happy with the Gawadia, the way it was done. You ask anyone interested to do mentoring. We have 40 girl children of the nearby school. We can also call them for those who are interested. They can come. You must collect the name for lunch tomorrow. Depending on number, we'll call that having lunch tomorrow at Ruchi, Godavari Dining Hall.
What is your Didi's name?
She does
Just we are chatting with
Okay. Did you tell your hobbies to Didi?
state committee.
Okay. Did you ask their hobbies?
One general guideline to all of the mentors: kindly collect their home address, mobile number of some contact person, father, brother, sister, through whom we can contact. I will be very unhappy after passing out from 10th class they drop out. It will be a reflection on the mentor herself or himself. If the child does not study further, then the first test of yours.
Try to have that. Name of the site. Okay. We write home address. Address. What address? Address also. Sir ने बोला ना this is enough. Okay.
Mentor also can pass on your number, your address to
विलेज ఒక్కటే డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ అంతే కైండ్లీ పక్కనే హోమ్ అడ్రస్ और ये और हमारा पापा और मेरे मम्मा बहुत काम करते हैं फ्यूचर में उसको काम उसको बिठा के खिलाना है हमें
अभी से सोचोगे पहुँचोगे वहाँ पे जब उस दिन वो चीज़ करोगे ना मतलब आज के अंदर एक गूज़बम्स आती है जो तुम्हें आती है गूज़बम्स आती है वही खड़े हो जाते
Your younger brother is he is also staying in some which class?
college.
He's in college. Which year? Which year?
First, second.
Second. What is he studying?
Second year.
Of college. What is he studying?
Second year village purpose. IPC.
What robots, doing computers, engineering.
तो यहाँ जैसा जितने सर लोग कल देखो लंच करने आओगे किसी भी पता चले मेरी बड़ी बहन भी सी सर्विस में 15 वर्ष
Brother is taking it slow.
छोटा भाई
Your parents are staying in
वो भी मेहनत
So
कर
they
रहे
are financing the hostel.
हमारा सपना है
Inflation, everything. So all those things we study. So I just wanted to study the subject. Which subject do you like? Biology. So if you study biology further, then you will find so many options in biology also. Like doctors, like bhaiya, right? Or you can mix it with some other subjects. So I was just studying economics, and then I realized that okay, this exam is there, so I have to study for the exam, and then you clear the exam, and then you get into the service. Now you like biology and which other subject? Biology, English and chemistry. Environment, do you like?
Because I think what usually happens is that a lot of people start just from 10th, I mean just after 10th class, just during the summers of 10th class, and they like what they do is they have those extra months of 3-4 months.
In that time they will think of any.
Exactly, and they have this like some sort of this pedestal upon which they can from which they can rise. So those 3 months are actually very vital. So give you 10 class that is counted on so many occasions. Don't push yourself. When anxieties, I think, that happens. Even if you're like, I thought when I was 16, I thought that I would be well settled by 21, 22, but now I'm like, even 6 years older than what I was like, what I thought, and still I don't think I'm settled. I mean, this is.
We will close the conversation next 5 minutes. You stay.
If you have anything problem with studies or anything, you can always go.
The ISS officers are staying with us for one more day. So 7? 7th you are leaving. So one more day.
Physics, you have NCRTs. What is the syllabus? What is the
8, yeah. Economics are staying for one more day. So you have one more day to interact. 8 कोई काम नहीं है. हैदराबाद घूमना तो बच्चों के लिए घुमाओ. 8th is a Sunday, isn't it? 8th is Sunday. You can have a trip with the group of you, 8 of you.
Read the book 2 or 3 times. You will.
8th morning or evening. 7th afternoon. You want a bus? We will provide you.
I didn't have
Take them out.
I used to go to school, but I was very active in sports. So I
along with some teachers as well.
So at the boards time, I just studied by myself through the books. In first reading, I did not understand. When I read it twice, I understood some concepts. I read it thrice, 4 times. And you will understand. Just read each and every word of the book. You will enjoy the subject. Physics is a very interesting subject. And there are many YouTube videos. You can search online.
There is no facilities like that to see YouTubes and
You do not have internet in your school.
Yes, sir, but teacher will ask principal and what kept me videos. This Sunday the teacher one kept that sir, to see the videos about lessons.
They won't. I don't understand.
Teacher asks her teacher, we want to see videos about lessons to understand easily. That's why we tell us, that's why she kept the Sunday sir when we are free.
Then how you call, how you talk to your parents every day?
Second Sunday, madam will call our parents.
Oh, so for how much
For
time?
monthly, we can talk once to 2 days.
Monthly once, not every day. Not even in the week. One week is too long.
But there is a permission to came our school and see.
Okay, they can come and meet you.
Usually, my ambition changed. But
Don't be afraid.
you have to study. पढ़ना है बहुत और भी आगे बढ़ना है.
And otherwise, how can I help?
Reachable.
If you face any problem in study, they are working
Reachable to play. It's something to play.
అయితే ఈ రోజు మనకు మెంటర్ ఇవ్వలేకపోతున్నాము. మీకు డిసెంబర్ ఫస్ట్ వీక్ లో ఇస్తాం. డిసెంబర్ సెకండ్ వీక్ లో 9th నుంచి ఇంకొక ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. మన లోకల్ ఆఫీసర్స్ వస్తారు, మీకు మెంటర్ చేస్తారు. అక్కడ మీకు ఇస్తామండి మెంటర్స్. 15 రోజులు వెయిట్ చేయండి. బహుశా మీ జిల్లా నుంచి దొరుకుతారేమో. వనపర్తి జిల్లా నుండి వనపర్తి పర్సన్ దొరుకుతారు. అంత తెలంగాణ ఆఫీసర్లు వస్తారు మన దగ్గరికి. వాళ్ళు ఉంటే మీకు ఎక్కడ అందుబాటులో ఉంటారు. వీళ్ళు ఎక్కడ ఢిల్లీ వెళ్ళిపోతారు, తర్వాత కష్టం. మీకు లోకల్ ఆఫీసర్ ఇస్తాం. On behalf of mentors, can I request both of you come?
8978403337. Mother.
Mentee, what's the one? Akila, Amelia and Akila, alliteration.
Actually, I have no plan. To be very honest, I had no plan. She's like very talented. Like she's a very good dancer. She speaks really well. So I said we have a deal. She teaches me Telugu and I teach her Hindi because I am learning Hindi. What? Because I am a beginner in Hindi, so I said I will teach her Hindi with my beginning skills. And then the second one is we've made a challenge that 7 years from now, before I turn 32, she'll become an IAS officer and we will come here. And what?
My name is Aglila. My ambition is to become a IAS officer. Didi said some inspiration was to me how to become an IAS officer, and she tell a few words to me, and I confidently said that I will become an IAS officer after 7 years, and I will meet and I will come this place and to see all these members. Thank you.
And Amelia being a sports person.
Sir, చూపించండి. Sir. పట్టుకోండి sir.
I request dignitary on the stage to get onto the dais along with DD sir in the distribution of the kit. In charge principal Garu, Shravan, Chandrasekhar, Nagesh.
You paid 500 rupees each. This has been used, isn't it? Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, ఒకసారి పట్టుకోండి.
Dictionary, exam writing pad, pencil.
Girl child kit distribution.
DD sir. పట్టుకోండి సార్ ప్లీజ్ సార్. ఇంతకుముందు బాగా రాలేదు సార్. చూడండి సార్, ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్.
Okay. All the best.
ఇక్కడ చూడు సార్, పట్టుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు చూడు ఇంకోటి సార్.
Trainees are
Soumya and Mamta.
wishing all the best for a 10th grade exam.
That is the first task. You must whether she needs, and if she should not drop out after 10th class. That is
The second goal.
అర్థమైతే ఉంటాం కదా.
How much is the
నా దగ్గర
Headmaster garu, ఎంత కావాలి? 75% కావాలా 10th లో?
Grade ఎంత రావాలి?
Okay. Again tomorrow you meet.
Pratibha is given all the best kit, small gift from the officer training
All the best.
कितने लोग पार्टिसिपेट किए ओवरऑल? नो नो फ्रॉम us 57 but overall 220 kind of capacity. Okay. Percentage तो 9 minus 95. 99% of the You please ask how much they got in the last exam.
All the mentors are requested to ask what is the percentage they got marks in the last exam.
Ninth class exam. All are 94, 95. All are doing so well. Okay, right. Achha.
Sir. Sir, it is good.
How much percentage? 85. We got 90. You must try for 95.
Did you, sir?
95. Put చాలా మంది 95. అవి కూడా 95 వచ్చింది. Okay. Imani must help. 95.
Did you, sir?
Hold this.
Her name is
Deep. ఆమె పేరేంటి? రూపాలి నంబర్ తీసుకున్నావా? ఫోన్ చేస్తే పెట్టుకుందా లేదా? ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్ వచ్చింది? We'll see. Then you announce.
All the officer trainees are expected to come on to the.
We will complete and have a group.
Yeah, we'll complete this distribution and have a group picture.
Maybe downstairs on the steps. That's easier.
Yeah, okay.
We will go downstairs.
So all of you are expected to be present for the group picture.
हैदराबाद में शादी करना क्या? हैदराबाद में शादी कराना. Your sister is there here. Brother is here.
I request Naveen ji and also the team of Nirmal to be on the stage.
80%. You should attempt 90. Yeah.
True. They said we have a common thing.
Something very interesting going on.
Okay, right. Again, Nikhil.
Now the officers of the office are to stay back and
How will you start helping? How will you start? क्या करेंगे?
Sir. Did you, sir?
Manavadu. Shantanu is the grandson of Krishna. Haryana. Delhi lo untadi. Have a general WhatsApp group of mentors and you can start one mentor-mentee group. Because mentees can't be WhatsApp. Mentors group you can exchange. Some stories of the mentors you can exchange to keep pep up every other decided to the mentor. Meena. What do you do? Doctor. बोलने में तो बहुत अच्छा है. साथ दे रहे She was a class monitor. School leader. Why you were chosen? Good. Parent. पहले 10th क्लास अच्छा करें, लेकिन ऐसा मस्त बात है 90 क्या है
After years, you will hand over to
अब आपका नाम पता है इसका नेपाल का बाद आफ्टर हम लोग करते हैं बंगाल मी पेरा मैडम पेरेंट what do you want to do? That's very general. The connotation is specific. How will you be in touch with her? That's the first challenge. She doesn't have a number. Madam parent.
5 mentors, sir. Yeah, I included them.
Okay. What do you want to tell? Does she have access to it? What is feasible? Brother is a doctor. RM is not a doctor. RFP is क्या करें? Whatever she is good at. पहले 10th class अच्छा करो. Not many ask IAS. ज़्यादा IPS dimming importance of IAS. Not very ready. I'm asking her whether she knows that. She says her father died when she was 8 months old. So she thinks to become an astronaut and go to the stars and see her father. Very touching story. First 10th class బాగా చదవాలి. 10th level తర్వాత help చేస్తారు. Okay? చాలా యాక్టివ్ బాయ్. మన ఆఫీసర్స్ క్లబ్ ప్రెసిడెంట్. Right? Thank you.
Wish you all the best.
Hello. Live, back live. Madam parent. Yes? You tell your name again to her. She doesn't know your name. Munish. Munish and enti. Muni తెలుసు కదా. Muni ka Ish. Muni ka Ishwar. Shivji. Muni okay. Munish is not Indian name. Okay. So पूरा नाम मारिए. थोड़े के नहीं है. Get the children.
All the children should come in a line now.
They can come into a line.
Okay. మీరు వచ్చేసేయండి రండి. Come.
Sir, parent.
I'm happy to say that recently one of our Nirmala Tanushree had her birthday. As a part of birthday, she wanted to give one girl child gift. So I request Tanushree to
She is older than you.
Tanushree come here to Varid sir. As part of her birthday, it's a very good commitment.
When was the birthday?
So OTs have inspired one more citizen of this country to contribute to this girl child commitment.
ఫాస్ట్ గా రావాలా?
స్కూల్ బ్యాగ్ ఉందా మీకు ఇప్పుడు? పనికి వస్తుందా లేదా? ఉంది కదా బ్యాగ్ లేదా? బ్యాగ్ లేదా? ఎవరికి ఇచ్చేస్తారు? బ్రదర్కి ఇచ్చేస్తారు. Ensure that the
I request all the Nirmanites to come one by one. In presence of DJ sir and Vahid sir, request Chandrasekhar giving one kit. Thank you so much. From Surgeon Pack giving one kit.
In the mentor and mentee.
Sure, DJ sir దగ్గరికి అందుతాం. చేయలేదు కదా తమిళ. So ఇవి ఇచ్చేసేయండి. Yeah. Shravan, thank you so much. Vikram, each bag.
టీచర్ అవ్వాలని
Teacher అవ్వాలని ఉంది.
బాగా తినాలి నువ్వు.
విక్రమ్ నీళ్ళని ఐఐటికి పంపించాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఆ అమ్మాయిని కూడా, ఆ అమ్మాయికి ఏం ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే అది దాంట్లో నీళ్ళని పేటెంట్స్ రాపించాలి. రమారా ఫాస్ట్ హెల్ప్ చేయి. మౌనిక ప్లీజ్ సార్ దగ్గర రండి. ఇచ్చేయండి. అది చూడండి, ఫోటోకాపీ చూడండి. ఓకే ఓకే ఎడిటర్ తారక్ ఓకే రెండు ఇచ్చేసేయండి. రెండు గో 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 నెక్స్ట్ ఫాస్ట్ గా ఒక్కొక్కరు ఒక 2-3 కిట్స్ ఇచ్చేసేయండి. పిల్లలకి విష్ చేయండి. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ చెప్పండి ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు. 10th క్లాస్ బాగా రాయాలి. ఫస్ట్ గోల్ ఇంత ప్రోగ్రామ్. ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా 10th క్లాస్ తర్వాత డ్రాప్ అవ్వకూడదు. వెళ్ళు గో. వీరమణి ఫాస్ట్ గా మూవ్ చేయండి. నవీన్ జీ షుడ్ గివ్ 2 కిట్స్ ప్లీజ్. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ పంపించు. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా 5-6 కిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎంసీహెచ్ఆర్డీ లీడర్షిప్ నుంచి ఇంకా
మీరే చేయండి.
ఓకే సార్. నవీన్ సార్.
Now Mayur to give the
రెస్ట్
Mayur.
ఇవ్వండి.
వారికి all the best చెప్తూ
ఇంకోటి ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు. బాగా చేయాలి.
One more.
We do this, we do raise this fist and like this and do chadde. Chadde!
All well done.